everybody stand up, make one line behind Enzo. Alright, hello Enzo. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so everybody kids, attention! Very good. Where's the line? Here. The line is here. Boys. Okay, so Enzo, do you know how to play the musical chairs? Yes, can you tell your friends how to play the musical chair? We're going to move around the chair when the music is playing, and then when the music stops, you need to chair and music go. Hey, let your ass move around. What? No pushing, please. What? Let's go. Move around. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your up and down. Who doesn't have chair? Ooh, what's your name, Kuya? Carl. Clap your hands, everyone, to Carl. Okay, sit down, please. And who else? Ooh, where's your chair? Oh, this one is your chair. Thank you very much. Yay! Alright, and high five. Go to mommy. Where's mommy? Mommy. Okay. Alright, and who else? Ooh, high five, buddy. What's your name? Alright, thank you very much. Okay, and who else? Ooh, someone here. Are you twins? No, because you are sharing the chair. Okay, he is sitting on 90%. You are sitting on 10%. High five. What's your name? Alright, thank you very much. Now everybody stand up, please. And we're going to remove 2 chairs. Okay, get ready, everyone. Everybody this time, put your hands up, everyone. Put your hands up. No one will touch the chair, alright? And dance. Oh, not yet. Let's dance. Hey, oops. Oh, what happened? Okay, clap your hands, everyone. Thank you very much. And who else? Ooh, and thank you very much. What's your name? Okay, thank you so much. Okay, everybody stand up. Okay, and we're going to do some boys. Sit down, please. Alright, thank you very much. Move. Alright, no pushing, please. Let's dance. Alright, hey, let's dance. Oh, thank you very much. And yes, I saw you. You pushed him like this. Alright, what's your name? Bryce. Clap your hands. High five, Bryce. Thank you very much. Again, for those boys who is out, sit down, please. Sit down. Thank you very much. We push you. Okay, so get ready. Okay, put your hands up and everybody let's dance. Hey, let's dance. Alright, come on, hands up. Let's go. Hey, let's dance. Dance. Hey! Oh, thank you very much, Spider-Man. Okay, and oops. Who's it? Oh, I saw you. You push her like this. Oh. Okay, what's your name, Kuya? Thank you very much. Clap your hands, everyone. Now we only have 2, 4, 6 players. Stand up, guys. We're going to remove another 2 chairs. Hey, clap your hands. Let's dance. Alright, go pushing, please. Everybody dance. Let's dance. Up. Ooh, who's out? What's your name, ate? Layla. Clap your hands, everyone, to Layla. And the birthday for Enzo. Bye-bye. Clap your hands. Thank you very much, Enzo. Now we only have 4 players, 2 girls and 2 boys. Everyone stand up here. We're going. Hey, clap your hands. Let's dance. Hey, All right, and thank you very much. And thank you so much. Yay! Now we only have 2 players. Okay, let's remove 1 chair. Okay. All right. Who do you think will be the winner? Huh? Cassandra. Okay, let's find out. And music go. All right. Okay, let's dance. Hey, 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 dance, 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 dance. Hey, hey, oh! And we have our winner. Clap your hands, everybody. What's your name again, buddy? All right, high five. Good job. You win. Come here. Okay, and Enzo, come here, please. Let's give a prize to our winner. Okay. All right, and the winner will take home brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max. Yay! All right, give the prize, Enzo. Picture, picture, picture.
Picture.
Smile. All right, clap your hands, everyone, to our winner. Yay!